Presentations General Overview. Okay, so this tool allows you to create professional slideshow presentations for either your business, your clients, your artistry, or just about anything else that you can think of. Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to go over the basic parts of this tool, but by going over this, you'll be able to have everything that you need just about to create what you want onto your presentation. Alright, so let's go ahead and start. I'm going to go to the upper left-hand corner, start in the menu. And we're just going to see our save, undo, redo, and cut, copy, and paste buttons here in a line. Those are pretty straightforward in what they do. Now this plus sign here on our first slide, our blank slide, this is how you add a different slide. As you go down, you'll see them everywhere. It doesn't matter which one you click on, they're going to add a new slide in order. You can drag them whichever you need to drag them. Just look for the dotted outline, and that's where you're going to drop. To get rid of it, you're going to exit out like so. Alright, now if we come up to the top, this is where we're going to add in our text, images, videos. On websites, we have different shapes for you as well. You can click on here. We have different things for you to work with. Resize and recolor too, just by selecting on here. So let's go here. And then we can select our different colors and shapes. Alright, going to X out of here. Now to enter in a text, it's going to be very, very simple. Everything, you just click on a button. You can resize by dragging here. They all work exactly the same. You can rotate 360 degrees with this arrow. Okay, now we have two very special arrows on this tool. One is a horizontal arrow, which allows you to shift your box horizontally like this, sort of a diagonal feature. We have the same thing for vertical. If you come over here and find this arrow, we go up and down like so. Okay, so this is recenter this. I'm actually going to delete this. To insert an image is very self-explanatory. Just going to browse here. It's going to show all the images inside of your computer. Give you a preview, insert like so. If you want to do one really quickly, I can upload have a pickup truck here. Let's just go back and get this image here. I'm going to get the Chevy Impala instead. And we're going to insert here. It's going to be the same exact thing with the boxes as well. Alright, now we can also insert websites. All you need to do is put in the URL here. Started with an HTTPS and a // to give you an example. We're going to do HTTP ://. We'll put in this website here, developmentj.com. Okay, now it is good to note that not all websites allow themselves to be placed into an iframe. Okay, now this is one of the websites that was created on our platform. All of those allow you to as well. Most sites do on the internet, but certain big sites, sort of like Facebook, some Google sites don't allow you to. Okay, so go ahead and insert here, and then you'll see your iframe here, and this is actually working very, very cool. You can enter the site. If we go ahead and press play over here to preview, we can enter our site like this, and we can see everything working. We can scroll as well. Okay, now we want to exit out. We're going to simply just press escape and come back like so. Exit out like this. Okay, now what we're also going to do after I delete this is come over to our backgrounds. Now you have two different backgrounds. We have for all slides, or background options. For all slides, it's going to change all of the colors. If I put multiple here, just to give you an example, go to background, all slides, and then we'll see them all go to white. We'll see them all go to, let's say, this color here. All right, and if you want to change just to select this slide, so maybe we're on slide 2 now, this is going to be black. You go here, select this one, select this slide, we go black. All slides, we go to purple. Okay, so we'll see that happen here. Now the surface is going to be the area around your presentation. So if we come over here, all slides, same deal. We have white, green. We can do it like this, or on a selected slide only, so you get to work a lot with your colors. You can even insert pictures as well and text. All right, this is an overview of your transitions. Okay, we'll go over this in another tutorial on how to actually work with your transitions. But this is how you get to them, and then this is how you preview here. And we have different ways for you to go about that as well. So we'll go over that in another tutorial. Thank you, and I'll talk to you next time.